The only way I can get him out here, he either wants to be up here when I don't want him to be up here, or if I want him up here, I have to bribe. I have to bribe him with food. Greetings and salutations, you beloved degenerates. Welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower, where I am your host, Corey. Well, why do I have Razavir? Well, we're going to do a cocktail called a Pussycat. And it's out of this new gin cocktail book, a modern cocktail book that I found. I thought it could seem pretty tasty. About as tasty as that cat yogurt. Alright, say goodbye to everybody. Let's make a cocktail. Oh yeah, I am not a bartender. He's not a bartender. Do not take advice from either one of us. And let's make a cocktail. Oh, I think this cocktail is as simple as it comes. You don't need anything extra. You just need a glass with some ice. They said to chill it, so I actually followed the instructions and chilled it this time. So, first it says a splash or a dash of Grenedine. Oh, that's probably good enough. 1/2 ounces of gin. And it just top it off with pineapple juice. That's probably about 5 ounces. Give that a stir. And throw a little pineapple wedge on it. And that, my friends, is a Pussycat. It's probably way more cooperative than the real ones. Let's see what this thing tastes like. You know, that's all right. You know, I tried to drink a while back. It was a lot of orange juice and gin, and it didn't seem to go well together. But I think this pineapple juice does. I don't know if it's just because it's sweeter or more tart. But yeah, I don't taste the Grenadine, but I think quite a few of those by the pool, and you won't be. You will be enjoying your day. Probably get sunburned, but you'll be enjoying your day, and all your troubles will go away. probably tone back just a little bit of the pineapple juice. Probably don't need that much, and it may just depend on the glass you're using. You know, maybe 3 ounces instead of 5, but you know, as they always say, who's going to listen to you complain? Just enjoy the drink. With all that being said, you know what to do. Cheers.